Destiny, come here. Look how it shows up in my picture. Or in my camera.
I don't know, but can you shut that window?
Look on my phone.
Look around, maybe Dad's had him somewhere.
Right. See it? It's like a donut. See my phone? It's not a donut though. I don't know. That thing hasn't moved. It's stationary.
It's not a planet. Maybe it's a planet.
Round.
What did it just do? Am I imagining that?
What? I don't know.